This is a quick setup guide for you to set up your own doors and prepare your doors in order to use your stuff with our scripts. A very simple setup. We are using the demo doors coming with the DeliciousDoors demo, and I will show you guys in Modo 501 how to center the pivot point correctly on the door hinges so that the doors are actually turning the right way when you use our scripts to open them. We have our door set up right now. Our windows, the right door, attached as children, the hinges to the right door, and the knobs, the door knobs, and the left door, and the children to that. So it's a good idea actually, in order to work, for our scripts to work correctly, to do the same thing. Parenting is a big thing, and I would do it in such way that you have door frames, and whether you not have windows, it doesn't really matter. Whatever, you know, in order to set up your door, whatever is needed is fine. And then you should have like a right door, a left door, or for that matter a single door, and attached to that the hinges and the doorknobs. Right now the action center, as you can see, is pretty much outside of the model. Now select the action center, make sure the door frames are selected, click on edit, and then center to bounding box, center. It will snap automatically into the center of the bounding box of the whole thing. See how it actually lines up? It's right in the middle of the door frame. Well, for the door frame that's not so important, but I strongly recommend that you do that for every model, because it's a whole lot easier for later on to work with the model in Unity if you do a lot of animations and whatever have you. So for the windows, let's see where that action center is. It's right there. Okay, do the same thing. Okay. Now for the door, the action center seems to be far way out here, and it's a good idea always to if you center something, or if you work with action centers and pivot points, it's a good idea to switch to the quad view in order to really have the whole scene under control, so you can see if the point is really on where it's supposed to be. And let's do this for this door. Okay. Now we're doing this for the hinges. Let me see. And oh, well, first we need to select this. Center to bounding box. There we go. And this is probably the most important step, to do that correctly for your hinges. Okay, now for the doorknobs, same way goes there, and click in the action center, center to bounding box, so it's right in the middle of the doorknobs. And the same goes, of course, for the other door. Door hinges. And the left doorknob. Alrighty. As soon as you're done with that, and it looks okay, you can then just save it back into your Unity folder, and we go from there to set it up in the next tutorial.